Hey, this is Ian, and this is Ian.com, where you can buy more of me. And this is also my sister's room.
Why don't we go into your room?
Oh yeah. Ian. And these are also awesome. Now let's look in my room.
You got a bunk bed?
Yeah. A done kitty.
It's upside down.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is.
That was his one and only skateboard, and this is his room. And remember, since he has a bunk bed, he's only 6 years old, you guys, and he is an amazing skater for his age.